Hey there, did you know that a Galeon sells at 7.03% its listed value and after an 8-month period? Why does this matter to you? Well, there's a formula to buying any Galeon at the lowest possible price. And luckily for you, you found my YouTube channel or you found my site and you're gonna be the next one to save a bunch of money on your Galeon. Now, salesmen don't want me to share this information with you, so it's very important that we move quickly and we move swiftly. But you're gonna go ahead and fill out right here below what type of Galeon you're looking into buying. Both the length, the year, the model, and the name would be very helpful to me. Now I'm gonna need your name. Please don't give me a fake name because women do that to me at the bar. On my site, we have a bunch of Mark Zuckerbergs and Jeff Bezos looking to buy yachts, but this is gonna help me get you the information that you need. And last but not least, I'm gonna need your phone number to text you the analytics, the data, and a bunch of information to save you some money. So thanks for stumbling across this video. I'm very much looking forward to helping you acquire your Galeon or any other yacht that you decide to buy without overpaying $1, because you've worked pretty hard to get to this point and no one should be taking extra money from you that they're not entitled to. I'm Chris Mortimer of the yachthunter.com. Happy yachting, my friend.